There's one final stop left, and that's the grocery store. Grocery shopping's done, but dinner isn't. There's no need to panic because we got it covered. Here at Asai Guy Cooks with chicken chili. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken. Now let's build the chicken chili. Let's check the seasoning. It needs a little bit more chili powder. The seasoning is just right. Set your timer for 60 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Also known as chili con carne, chili has its roots in the Canary Islands. Immigrants brought the dish to San Antonio, Texas in the early 1700s, where it became popular amongst cowboys and pioneers. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this chicken chili on a plate. Garnish with white cheddar cheese, chopped cilantro, and of course sour cream. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the spices of cumin, chili powder, cardamon, and coriander provide a warm and smoky flavor. I'm gonna have a little bit more. This is a great meal on a chilly day. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner is ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.